fine. You can film everything.
Yes.
Why should you go to Switzerland, or why should you go to Netherlands, or why should you go to New Zealand or Australia to watch this close country, Sri Lanka? We have. If you go to Netherlands only, you get only cold weather. But if you go to Australia, the similar. But if you come to Sri Lanka, you can cover up all the weather conditions, including this type of natural forestation and the dairy farming and some more things you have to see after about 10-15 minutes. So get your people to come and enjoy this nature. This is all free. Nobody is here to charge money. No. Yeah. Come and enjoy this wonderful weather condition and the free air.
Yeah.
This is all free of charge. Just see. This all dairy farming. This is the gift of God.
Maybe I have to charge it. Huh?
You have to charge, yeah.
Yes, for
you put into your, get your, you record and keep it and tell your KBS friend. You take them and make a documentary, or maybe a kind of documentary and show them. Because I know your people like the nature. They want to enjoy the nature. Come here and enjoy this. We will make I can arrange it. That is why I am telling you. Now we come to the forest area. Now gradually these forests are going to be shorter. Then we come to a particular area called plain. No trees. It is a natural plain. Nobody has cut trees and all that. But it is a natural plain. This was named as one of the World Heritage Site by UNO, this area. And the next one.